Good afternoon sa lahat ng follower at viewer naman. Alis naman tayo. Natapos na tayo discharging at loading. Mabilis yung biyahe natin para tayong jeep, yung taxi. Tayo kasi isa sa pinakamaliit na barko dito sa domestic kaya mabilis takbo na. Shoutout pala kay kay Sir Commodore BRP Dagupan City LS 551. Shoutout sa iyo, sir. Tapos kay Sir Sir Captain Mark Morales from Gutong sa Don Carlos Senior to. Tapos kay Sir Kobe from Leyte at Ronnie Duterte from Paranaque at Sir Ralph Mendez from Bulacan. Maraming salamat sa ating follower at viewer. Ingat kayo palagi, sir. God bless. Okay, forward. Area headline forward.
Area headline forward.
Okay, let go spring up. Let go stern line. Let go stern line up.
Dalawa, sir. Stern line tsaka spring.
Huwag mo muna ipare yung spring. Stern line muna pala.
Stern line. Sige, sir. Area.
Okay.
Sa bola, third line, sir. Start picking up.
Okay, bira kadina. Proa, bira pole kadina.
Bira ball kadina.
Okay. Yan pala kapag may...
Bira na kadina, sir.
Okay.
Stern line, heaving up.
Okay. Slack lang yung yung spring pag mag-tight. Apo pa.
Tapi, sir. Slack lang spring pagka nag-tight.
Okay.
Heading, 8 o'clock. Medium stay.
Okay, 8 o'clock medium stay. Portres, Portres? Tisar Lobed Portres, Poco lang.
Tisar Lobed Portres, Poco.
Okay. Yan, itisar lang. Yan, permi lang natin to yung spring. Yan, kasi may fishing boat yan. Permi mo lang yung spring para sa mga yung mga follower natin na first time i-hold on mo lang yung spring tapos area mo na stern line yan kasi may fishing boat kasi sa likod natin.
8 o'clock long stay
para hindi tayo mabangga. Okay, long stay. Forward, let go line forward.
Let go lines forward.
Okay, area na natin kasi
Stance fishing boat mga 8 meters, sir. Coming to clear na to.
okay, 8 meters coming to clear. Kapag ma-clear na yung fishing boat, i-area natin yung spring sa pupa. Kasi yung sa proa, malayo man yung distansya, libre man. Okay, copy, thank you. Pupa, let go line up.
Go line up.
Okay. Ano palang current natin kayo?
Heading.